Namaste, I'm Janil and welcome to Janil Dolakia Yoga. So if you're a beginner and you don't know where to start your yoga practice from, or if you don't know which body part to focus on, what asanas to do, then I'm here to resolve your confusion. I have a 15-minute morning routine practice that you can do every single day, which will cover up your entire body and give you complete benefits and experience of a holistic yoga practice. So let's get started. All you will need is your yoga mat, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Meet me in Sukhasana, in the center of your mat. Keep your spine upright, palms facing up, gently close your eyes. Taking a moment to prepare yourself for the practice. Relax the shoulders. Become aware of your breath. Join your palms in Namaste. We'll chant one Om. Take one deep inhale. Slowly open your eyes, release your palms, and start to turn your neck towards the right side and then to the left. Once again to the right and then to the left. Come back to center, drop your right ear to the right shoulder and your left ear to the left shoulder. Again, right ear to the right shoulder and left to the left. One last, right and left. Come back to center, chin to the chest and look up. Chin to the chest and look up. One last, chin to the chest and look up. Come back to center, open your hands sideways, make big rotations. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep your hands fully straight. And 5. Change the direction anti-clockwise. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bring your hands in the center, open and close your palms rapidly like this. And then make a fist and rotate your wrist clockwise. And go anti-clockwise. Nice. Slowly release. Come into all fours. We're preparing for Asana. So align your shoulders and wrist in one line, knees and hips in one line. Press the palms firmly and then inhaling, arch your spine, look up. Exhaling, round your back, look down. Inhaling up, exhaling down. Inhaling up, exhaling down. One last, inhaling up and exhaling down. Come back to neutral. Walk your hands half a step forward, preparing for Adho Mukha Svanasana. So tuck your toes and push your hips up, come into a nice V shape with your body. Really press into the palms. And it's okay if your heels don't touch. Feel free to pedal like this as if you're pedaling a bicycle. Do that a few times. And then keep pushing your stomach to your thighs. Slowly stop the pedaling. And then walk both your feet to the front. Keep your knees bent only and just allow your chest to rest on your thighs. Interlace your elbows and stay there for a few breaths. Allow your upper body to fully relax on your lower body. Slowly release your hands and very gently rise up. Now keep your feet hip width apart. Keep your hands on your waist and let's move the body or the hips in rotations. Move the hips clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Go anti-clock. What we are doing right now is just doing joint movements, Sukshma Vyayam, a nice way to get the entire body working. One last round anti-clockwise and come back to center. Now bring your knees slightly closer and bend your knees. Place your palms on your knees and make rotations with your knees. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Change the direction. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Come back to center. Now extend your right leg out and we work on the ankle joints. So point and flex your toes. Pointing, flexing, point and flex. Now point and make rotations. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Change the direction of the rotations. Really mobilizing your ankle joint. And release. Let's do the opposite side. So take your left leg out, point and flex. 2, 3 and now point and make rotations. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Anti-clock. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back to center. Now that we have warmed up the body a little bit, now let's move with the practice even further and let's do 3 rounds of Hatha Surya Namaskars. So come to the front of your mat, keep your feet hip width apart, relax your shoulders and let's prepare for the Surya Namaskar. Inhale at your spot, exhale hands in Pranayama. Inhale, reach back with your hands, exhaling forward bend. Inhaling, right leg back, drop your knee, look in the front. Exhaling, high plank. Ashtanga Namaskar, knees, chin and chest on the floor. Flatten the body. Inhale, Bhujangasana. Tuck your toes. Exhale, Parvatasana. Inhaling, right leg forward between the 2 hands, drop your back knee. Exhaling, opposite leg forward, Uttanasana. Inhaling, reach back. Exhale, Pranayama. Left side. Inhale, extend backwards and then lean forwards. Inhale, left leg back. Exhaling, plank. Ashtanga Namaskar. Bhujangasana. Parvatasana. Take your left leg forward between the 2 hands. Look up. Opposite leg forward. Uttanasana. Inhale, back bend. Exhale, Pranayama. This was 1 round. Let's do 2 more. Inhale at your spot. Exhale, Pranayama. Inhale. Exhale. Right leg, left leg, Ashtanga, Bhujangasana, Parvatasana. Right leg, left leg. Inhale, Pranayama. Left side, reach back, reach forward. Left leg. Right leg. Ashtanga Namaskar. Bhujangasana. Parvatasana. Left leg forward. Opposite leg forward. Reach back. Namaste. Last round. Do this round at your own pace. Try to remember the sequence and do it on your own pace. Remember to start with the right side and then move to the left side. Keep going. If you forget anything, feel free to look at the video. Otherwise, really find your rhythm. And if at all this practice of Surya Namaskar is something very new to you, then please go to my YouTube channel a full description on how to do Surya Namaskar for beginners. So feel free to look at that video, practice that a few times, and then you can come to this video. Keep breathing. I hope you're doing the left side. And slowly come back to center. Well done. Whenever you're done, lie down on your back. So take a moment, lie down on your back with support. Keep your feet apart for a moment. And then take your right leg, hug your right knee to your chest. And drop it into a twist towards the left side. Right hand in a T shape and right shoulder down. And slowly come back and release. Hug your left knee towards your chest. Stay there for a few breaths. And let's move into a twist. So take your right palm, drop it towards the right side. Left hand in a T shape, left shoulder fully down. And slowly come back to center. And then hug both your knees towards your chest. Give a nice tight squeeze in full Pavan Muktasana. Drop both your knees to the right side. Open the left hand in a T. And then drop both your knees towards the left side. Right shoulder fully down. Nice. Slowly come back to center. And now open up in Shavasana. Open your palms, open your feet. Take a moment to adjust yourself and come into the most comfortable lying down position. Notice how you feel in your entire body. Relax the shoulders, relax your eyes. Relax each and every part of your body. Remember how much importance we give to movement. The same importance should be even given to stillness and relaxation. This also is yoga. So just take the next couple of breaths here in complete surrender, in complete silence. Allowing your entire body to relax, allowing your breath to relax, and allowing your mind also to relax in Shavasana. Don't go yet, we still have something to do, so stay with the practice. Alright, very slowly wriggle your toes and fingers, slide your feet together. Roll over to one side, take support of your hand and slowly sit up. Come into a comfortable seated posture. Take a moment to settle down. Notice how you feel right now. And before we really close the practice, we will do Bhramari Pranayama or the humming bee breath. So for that, keep your index finger, take your index finger and close the flap of the ears. Open your elbows out. Keep your eyes gently closed and you will create a humming sound when you exhale. So take one deep inhale. Inhale fully. One last inhale fully. And slowly release your hands. Notice the beautiful after effects of this pranayama. Notice the stillness that you feel. And then gently bring your hands in namaste. Let's close with one Om and three Shantis. Take one deep inhale. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Gently bow down, take a moment of gratitude for today's practice and slowly release and open your eyes. So I hope you try out this 15-minute routine every single morning and notice the difference in your practice. And as a beginner, if you're looking for something very specific to practice, to learn, to know, feel free to leave me a comment below and I'm happy to make a new video for you. Thank you so much. Namaste.